Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to make your Facebook posts public. Whether you're a social media enthusiast, a business owner, or just someone who wants to share your thoughts with a wider audience, this guide is for you. First, let's start by opening the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're logged in, you'll see your news feed, where you can scroll through updates from your friends and family. To create a new post, tap on the "What's on your mind" section at the top of your screen. This is where you can share your thoughts, photos, or videos with others. Now, let's focus on making your post public. Look for the post audience selector, which is usually represented by a little icon like a globe or two heads. You'll find it at the top of the post creation window. Tap on this icon to open the audience settings. Here, you'll see several options for who can see your post. You can choose friends, friends accept, specific friends, or even only me. But if you want your post to be shareable by anyone, you need to select public. This option ensures that anyone on Facebook can view and share your post, even if they're not your friends. Once you've chosen public, tap on Done to save your changes. Now, finish writing your post and add any photos or videos you want to include. When you're ready, tap on the Post button to publish it. By making your post public, you're opening it up to a much wider audience. This can be especially useful if you're promoting a business, sharing important information, or just want to connect with more people. Remember, you can always adjust the privacy settings of your posts after they've been published, so don't worry if you forget to change it initially. That's it. With these simple steps, you can make any of your Facebook posts public and shareable. Whether you're using Facebook for personal or professional purposes, this feature can help you reach more people and build a stronger online presence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.